Conan, you know I have nothing but the utmost respect for you. And I've watched for months now as you've taken these fools on who've tried to catch you in a mistake. But this time, when you were taking one of your accusers to task, well, let me just show you.
I find more intimidating your accusation or the angry bird on your shirt.
Conan, that wasn't an angry bird. That was a platypus. In fact, it was this platypus, which we all know is a mammal and not a bird. Conan, I'm sorry to say, this time you have made a mistake.